paper yellow by the years, words blurred by falling tears. I wrote your name 1,000 times between the lines of my foolish rhymes, each word a promise I couldn't keep. Now they haunt me when I try to sleep. Letters I never sent, dreams I never chased, love I never spoke, time I can't replace. Your name still trembles on my pen, letters I never sent, again and again. I seal them tight with all my fears, tuck them away through the lonely years. I thought silence would keep me strong, but silence just proved me wrong. Now the ink has faded, but the pain still stays. Each word reminds me of brighter days. If I could send just one tonight, I'd tell you I was wrong, you were right. Letters I never sent, pages of regret, every what if I can't forget. The heart writes true when the tongue won't bend. Letters I never sent, my only friend. I light a match, let the fire repent, and watch them burn. Letters I never sent. Curtains close, the night won't sleep. A memory cuts my soul too deep. The scent of her still in the air. I reach beside me, she's not there. The bed feels cold, the room feels wide. I turn around, but she's gone with the tide. There's a shadow on my pillow where her love used to lay. Every night I chase the gold that won't fade away. I whisper her name, but it's just the same. A shadow on my pillow calling her name. The clock ticks slow, the silence hums like the echo of where a heartbeat comes. Every tear paints her face again. In the dark I feel her pain. I've tried to run, I've tried to dream, but she's stitched inside every scene. No dawn can wash or send away. She's the night that always stays. There's a shadow on my pillow where her love used to lay. whispers I miss you till the break of day. If love's a goal, then I'm still chained to a shadow on my pillow. And her name. Morning light creeps in too slow, oh, but a shadow still won't go. Love cuts deep where it used to shine. Now I'm bleeding from the ties that bind. She left the ring on the table by the door. Said, baby, I can't do this anymore. I tried to speak, but my voice just broke. Now the air is thick with the words we spoke. I got a broken glass heart, sharp and torn apart. Every piece still shines where love used to start. Can't hold it tight, it'll cut my soul in two. This broken glass heart still belongs to you. Our picture's cracked in its silver frame. Smiles are gone, but the pain remains. Every memory's like a jagged edge, a promise lost on a lover's pledge. I've swept the floor, but shards still gleam. Everyone a piece of a shattered dream. I try to move on, but the scars still sting. Every night I hear that goodbye ring. I got a broken glass heart, bleeding slow and true. Can't touch love without feeling you. If time could heal glass heart. Light fades down, the whiskey burns, and my broken glass heart still yearns. Sunlight creeps through the window blinds. Coffee cold and peace hard to find. The radio hums a lonely tune. Empty plate, empty spoon. Your chair's still there, untouched and true. Sunday morning feels colder without you. Oh, these Sunday morning blues, Sunday morning blues, they won't let me go. Praying for let me go. Praying for redemption, only heaven might know. Tears on the table, heart in my shoes. Lord, I'm living with these Sunday morning blues. The church bell rings down the avenue, reminds me of the vows I broke with you. I close my eyes, but I still see your face in every memory. Maybe grace can find my name, wash my sins in the pouring rain. But till that light breaks through, every morning feels like missing you. Oh, these Sunday morning blues, Sunday morning blues, they cling to my soul. They cling to my soul. Every prayer I whisper just makes me feel low. Give love salvation, I've paid my dues. Still unhaunted by these Sunday morning blues. Coffee gone cold, but I still stay, hoping your spirit will pass my way. Sunday morning blues won't fade away. hung up my coat by the door, but her scent still lingers like before. The night's gone quiet since she said goodbye, but her perfume still makes my heart sigh. Every breath brings her closer again. Every note drips with yesterday's pain. She left her perfume on my coat. Now I'm drowning in the smell of what I wrote. Every thread still tells her name. She left her perfume, but I'm to blame. I try to wash it out, but it won't fade, like the memory of the love we made. Her ghost is stitched in the seam so tight. I wear a shadow through the night. That scent was soft like her goodbye, a whisper under a broken sky. If love's a flame, it burned too long. Now her perfume keeps my heart warm. She left her perfume, but her heart still broke. She left her perfume on my coat. Sweet reminder, I still can't let go. It pulls me back to the words we spoke. She left her perfume and her heart still broke. My soul. Smoke from the track fades into gray. Another mile, another yesterday. I packed my heart in a worn-out case, left that small town without a trace. Her goodbye echoed through my soul. Now I'm just a man with no control. Ain't no train back home, the tracks all fade away. No whistle blowing, just the price I paid. She was my life, now I walk alone. Ain't no train back home. Bottles half gone, the night half kind. Every station's just a ghost in my mind. Love's a ticket you can't return. Once it's gone, you live and learn. I see her face in every town sign. Hear her laugh in the rolling line. If heaven's mercy rides these rails, then maybe someday my heart prevails. Ain't no train back home, no way to rewind. The past is a shadow I can't find. Every road I take still leads me wrong, 'cause there ain't no train back home. Stealing smoke, fade in the night. I keep rolling out of sight. Ain't no train back home. Ain't no train back home. Blue light drips from the morning sky. Like the tears she left behind. A shadow fades where the sunlight grows, but her perfume still softly flows. The walls remember the words she said. Love ain't gone, it just changes thread. The color of her goodbye was blue. but still true. It painted my world in shades of pain, and let me drown in the rain. Her touch still lives in the air I breathe. A gentle ghost that won't let me leave. Every smile she gave, now bittersweet, echoes slow in the empty street. Some colors fade, but blue remains. It runs through my heart like old refrain. If love's a canvas, she took the light and left me standing in the night. The color of her goodbye was blue. Soft as a voice, pure and true. No black, no gray, just endless hue. The color of her goodbye was blue. So I paint my pain in shades that cry, still chasing the color of her goodbye. Since she whispered my name in vain, the night's still young, but my heart feels old. Her memory burns where the truth got cold. Stars still glow where her laughter played, but every shadow knows the price I paid. Moonlight ain't the same since she's gone. Everything just reminds me I'm alone. Used to dance in that silver flame, now it's just me and her name. 'Cause moonlight ain't the same. I pour one drink for the love I knew. watch reflections fade in the amber hue. The clock don't move, it just ticks slow, and her voice still hums in the radio. I see her smile in the pale night sky, like a ghost that won't say goodbye. If love's a song, then mine still plays, soft and blue through endless days. Moonlight ain't the same, it's lost its glow since the night she said she had to go. Now I walk beneath that silver flame and whisper to the dark her name, 'cause moonlight ain't the same. Stars don't shine where her heart once lay, and the moonlight fades away. The bottle talks when the room goes quiet. Whiskey burns soft like an old goodbye. I hear her voice in the amber light, sweet and low like a ghost at night. She's gone for good, but she won't let go. Her memory's strong in every flow. Whispers through the whiskey call my name, soft as her touch, but it don't feel the same. Every sip brings back her eyes, whispers through the whiskey where love dies. Ashes fall from a trembling hand. I'm still drunk on what I can't understand. Her perfume hangs like a song half played in the silence where my soul's been laid. The jukebox moans a tune she loved to 11, and I swear she's watching from above. I raise my glass, but it's just in vain, to the ghost of love and a glass of pain. Whispers through the whiskey, soft and low, telling me things I don't wanna know. Her shadow fades, but her voice remains. Whispers through the whiskey every day. Rain keeps falling down on the bill tonight, where her laughter once met the city lights. Sidewalks shining like her eyes once did. Memories hiding where the shadows hid. She danced through puddles, heels on fire. Now I walk alone through the lost desire. Rain on Beale Street, washing my heart. Drops a tear tearing me apart. The sax still cries where her voice would be. Rain on Beale Street remembers me. A bluesman hums through the cafe door. Same old tune we danced before. Neon glows where a hand once lay. Now it flickers slow, like love decayed. I see her face in the window's gleam. Just another ghost inside my dream. If love's a river, then mine ran dry, left me stranded where the memories lie. Rain on Beale Street, cold and true, brings back the night I spent with you. Every drop's a promise that couldn't stay. Rain on Beale Street won't wash away. As the thunder fades and the street grows still, her goodbye echoes down that hill. Rain on Beale Street, and I'm standing still.